is just me. This part is just me. And I want to reach the masses. And I can't do it alone. So if you've taken the courses, you take the literary consulting, if you go to the www.pathtopublishing.com/conference store, you will see information about the Path to Publishing Verification and Certification Program. There is an application. There is a process. You will be vetted. But if you could see yourself doing this, if you could see yourself doing and act like an author, think like a business in your town, so I don't have to fly to Atlanta, so that I don't have to fly to Chicago. Make sure you visit that site and you fill out that application, and you will hear from me personally. If you want to be a part of the Path to Publishing team, an instructor, a literary consultant, the opportunity is there. But for now, let's take this information and let's implement and let's execute and let's work it and let's build literary empires. Thank you.